Hey guys, are you want to buy best RGB PC case fans? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best RGB PC case fans that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So, now let's get started. Starting at Asahorsa Miki. RGB fans, the Amiki 120mm RGB case fan delivers top-tier cooling and aesthetics for any PC build. Featuring ultra-high-performance HDB hydraulic dynamic bearing technology. The fan operates smoothly and quietly while significantly reducing wear and increasing longevity up to 50,000 hours. Its efficient 1800 RPM operation pushes 61.5 CFM airflow with 2.0 atmospheric static pressure, making it ideal for demanding tasks and high-performance rigs. Designed with noise reduction in mind, maintains a low 30 decibels a noise level, thanks to its 9-blade design, anti-vibration rubber pads, and fine balance tuning. The ARGB lighting adds visual flair with stunning infinity mirror effects and 24 LEDs per fan. Supporting all major RGB syncing systems like Asus Aura, MSI, Mystic Light, and more. This fan is a perfect combination of performance, durability, and eye-catching design. Note, while it supports daisy chaining, only up to 3 fans should be connected in series. A reliable and stylish choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts. Now our second product is Envratua RGB fans, the N25120. 120mm RGB cooling fan 3-pack is a fantastic addition to any PC build. Combining strong airflow, quiet operation, and stunning visuals. Each fan features 15 high-brightness LEDs that emit static RGB lighting, providing a vibrant and immersive aesthetic. The upgraded 9-blade design pushes up to 3.8 CFM at just 1200 RPM, striking a solid balance between airflow and noise control, with a maximum noise level of only 20.28 dB. Quieter than a whisper. These fans include 8 silicone vibration dampening pads that minimize operational sound and movement. Built with durable, high-oil hydraulic bearings, each fan offers up to 40,000 hours of lifespan, reducing long-term maintenance. Compatible with most ATX PC cases. The fans support both 12 volts 3-pin and IDE 4-pin connectors. Just remember not to connect both at once to avoid short circuits. Easy to install and visually appealing. These fans are a great value for cooling and style. Our third product is Asahorsa RGB Fantha FS9002PRO. 120mm RGB fan 5-pack delivers both striking aesthetics and reliable performance for any PC setup. Each fan is equipped with 26 vibrant RGB LEDs arranged in dual loops and powered by an analog ARGB controller, offering a variety of lighting effects from wave to rainbow, and even an exclusive off mode for a clean look. With speeds ranging from 800 to 1800 RPM and an airflow of 57 CFM. These fans provide solid cooling while maintaining a low noise level of just 22.65 dBA. The included hub simplifies installation, allowing you to connect up to 10 fans while preserving stable lighting and fan performance. Thanks to its upgraded fluid dynamic bearing FDB design. Each fan offers a long lifespan of over 40,000 hours and solves common oil leakage issues. Quiet, efficient, and easy to install. The FS9002PRO is ideal for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking premium cooling with customizable RGB. Now, number 4. Jonspo RGB Case Fantha Jonspo ZA360 ARGB Infinity Mirror Series. Fan is a stunning all-in-one cooling solution designed for aesthetics and performance. Featuring a sleek aluminum nameplate and a 28mm thick frame, housing 3 120mm ARGB fans in a single unit. This fan delivers unified speed and lighting control with minimal cabling for an easy installation. The four-sided infinity mirror design offers a mesmerizing RGB effect, syncing seamlessly with motherboards via 3-pin ARGB headers for over 16 million lighting combinations. Note: some lower-end motherboards may not support the high LED count on this fan. In such cases, using an ARGB controller is recommended. ASUS users can adjust LED chip settings via AuraSync. The ZA360 runs quietly at 700 to 2400 RPM with a noise range of 21.3 to 37.3 decibels. Powered via a 4-pin PWM and 3-pin ARGB connector. Ideal for high-end builds. It combines elegance and efficient cooling into one premium fan unit. And our last choice is ChillCore Laptop Cooling Pad. This 9-core laptop cooling pad is a powerful and stylish solution for gamers and professionals alike. With 9 high-performance cooling fans and both top and bottom air vents, it effectively dissipates heat to keep your laptop running smoothly. The 8-level adjustable stand offers ergonomic comfort, helping reduce neck and back strain during extended sessions. Its intuitive LCD display allows easy control of fan speed and RGB lighting, while 10 customizable RGB light modes add a dynamic, immersive ambience to your gaming setup. The lighting can be easily turned on or off with a long press, adding flexibility to your environment, despite its power. The cooler remains whisper quiet thanks to noise-reducing capacitor components, ensuring minimal distraction even at full speed. Whether you're gaming, editing, or working, this cooling pad offers exceptional performance, sleek aesthetics, and silent operation, an excellent addition to any laptop user's setup. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.